So our 3% interest rate is going to come back. There's been, a lot of talks of, the Fed's increasing interest rates, what they're going to do, what's going to happen, and not in a while. I mean, I don't think for a long, long time our 3% mortgage rate is going to come back. I think that, that ship has sailed. I think that at this point, if we have a really, really bad recession, then we may talk about, them going lower into like the low 4s or high 3s, but I don't think it's going to be anytime soon. I know that the Feds are and just raised the interest or the actual interest rate 0.25%. So that fluctuated the bond market, and that, those conversations still are had by the bond market because, they still need to keep pace. However, I don't think we're in a environment that they're going to be able to drop more. So one thing to think about as you buy a home, if you're looking for a home, if you think this rate is just outrageous, yeah, it probably is a lot higher than you expect. But at the end of the day, it's not as high as, a lot of other things throughout the course of the last 10 years. So really think about it. Think about, where you're buying, how you're going to get into that home, as a buyer, and ultimately how you're going to work with that agent, that professional to get into that home. So do I think that 3% is going to come back? Not anytime soon. It's going to be a few years, quite some time before we actually get into that 3% range again. So thanks for watching.